Hi guys, welcome back to Friday, and we have another unboxing here for you today. Today it comes from the lovely company called Vinted, and there are a hell of a lot of paintings on there. And basically Vinted is an app where you can sell things, you can buy things, and this particular painting was on, I think it was Amazon, or it may have been somewhere else. I don't recall seeing it on the works, but it was on Amazon, and it was a little bit pricey, and then it went out of stock. So I had a look on Vinted, and someone was selling this apparently brand new, and I only paid £2 for it. So I'm really happy with this. It's one that I've wanted for a long time, so we're going to get into this. I'm a little bit nervous because on the photo it says that it's new, but I'm sure there was a bag of jewels missing. So obviously any parcels that come in, I always record them, because then I've got proof if something's missing, and I open them on camera. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Lovely wrap, very old fashioned. As you can see, it's in our brown paper. I don't think I've opened one like this before. It's been a while. One of my suppliers actually puts the old fashioned string around it. But any guesses what it might be? I'll give you a clue. Diamond Paintings with TM has done it. So, any guesses? Can you guess? What do you think it is? It is a painting. It's a Crystal Creations. But can you guess what it is? Ta-da! I just had to get this. It is the... Oh, it's actually really big. It's the Crystal Creations. And apparently it's 12 vivid colours. I saw it and I was really happy with it. It was really bright. And I thought to myself, I do quite fancy a unicorn. You know, I've done horse paintings before, so I might do that. So let's turn it over and see if everything's in there. Oh, brilliant, that is in there. On the photo it looked like it was missing, but brilliant. Yeah, so it looks like all of them there. This has come away a bit, but that's fine. Right, okay, she's not put the sticker on it. That has got no film on it, so it's lost its stick. Really? Oh, for God's sake. Okay, well, we'll report a problem with it then. I'm not happy with that. That's supposed to have a cover on it. Where's the cover? I wonder why she sold it for £2. Okay, we'll report a problem on that. So, I don't know what we're going to do with this. This is really annoying. I mean, that's lost its stick. There's no way I'm going to get that on there. So, I'm going to have to report as a problem. A little bit disappointed, but I'm going to have to return this now and look out for a new one. That is really not on, because that's supposed to have a film on it. So yeah, that's not new, that's been used. So I'll have to take this back and report a problem with it. But yeah, very disappointed actually. So great. So another problem I've got to sort out now. But anyway, I'm gonna have to go hunting again for one of these. I'm really not happy, because you know, that is supposed to have a film on it. How can she expect me to do that with no film? Anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.